Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aryani and you guys can call me Salma. And I'm an 8th grade student at 1 Banguntapan Junior High School. Okay guys, with the theme how to make handicraft, toys or household right now, I'd like to create a handmade fan from patchwork fabrics. Fun fact, my mom is a tailor, so that's why we have a lot of patchwork fabrics at home. And the bamboo slat that I use is a leftover from my Scout program. Okay guys, first thing first, of course we have to prepare all the tools and materials, right? They are, first, 25 cm long bamboo slat as many as 11. Second is 50 x 25 cm patchwork fabrics. Next is wire or small nails for hook. And then pencil and ruler, scissors, wood glue, pliers, and the last is acrylic paint and paintbrush. Okay guys, now without further ado, let's get started. First, bend the patchwork into 2 pieces. And then sketch a quarter circle with a radius 7 cm and another quarter circle with a radius 25 cm. After that, just cut it guys. And this is it. Okay guys, the next step is paint the bamboo slats with acrylic paint. But don't forget to place some old newspaper on the table to protect the table from the acrylic paint. Okay guys, now let's just wait until all of them dry. Okay guys, the next step is hollow out the end of the bamboo slats and assemble them all together. But I have difficulties in making the hollow, so I asked my dad for help. And then I continue to the next step, that is, attach a wire or small nails to hook them all being a fan frame. Ta-da! Okay, after everything is assembled, stick the patchwork on top of the bamboo slats that has been formed into a fan frame. But don't forget to stick the patchwork under the bamboo at one end. And this is it, the main product is finished. But you guys can also add any decoration to make it more attractive. Guys, this handheld fan creation has a lot of function. Apart from personal use, it can also be used for sales idea. And I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. Goodbye and I hope we'll meet again soon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you!